To switch between Google Assistant or Gemini in Google Pixel 10a, first of all, we'll need to open Settings on our device. Next step is to select Google Services on the top. It may have your account name, so just click on that option and then go to all services. That way, if we scroll down, we'll be able to find Search Assistant and Voice. Make sure to select that and then navigate to either Google Assistant or Gemini. So each of them will have different process to enable it. So if you select Google Assistant, to enable him, you will need to scroll down, but let's wait a few moments until that page is actually loaded. I may need to enable the internet connection as well. Sorry for that. So here in the Google Assistant page, we can scroll down and find the digital assistants from Google and select Google Assistant as your default assistant, and that way it should be active. If you want to select Gemini, then go back to the Search Assistant and Voice options right here, and then go for Gemini. That way you should instantly see a setup for it. You can read through the introduction options and then confirm use Gemini. That way it will be active assistant for your phone. And that is basically everything. Thanks so much for watching.